Why do we always overdo things? What's here you might be? Nana wa me we ma hia wa we mi okpa. We na wa we mi okpa mi na gboya ka u ona si my gbene. Vana me we odo gbera. Iya, my daughter we no bi o e ma pa we nene mi e ma pa we nene mi e ma pa we nene mi e mata no. E ma pa kelete we nene mi. E ma pa botoga si ma bo. O hion ve. Oga si ma bo hie emuva me bo wa. Iwini bi agare magele suon. But ogi si ma bo. Mana ya hie mi ove yo te o tag mona. Mana ya hie o tono gbevi mana ya hie wa doge. Ami yo pa ni mau ni meya si ne gbi maya. Ami yo pa ni mau ni meya si ne gbi maya. Voici, vous ici, je m'agbe. Voici, je m'agbe. Ami, pas ni viedo ou ni viedo ga idio boje mine. On a mi wi yan ri wenene mi. Iyan ya gbagbi, yan ya sinegbi, yan ya kin o de yo teje di orije. E politics awabe una ve dona. O yan ma ge o eme. The social media a politics awabe una but okie mi ovene. We have taken to another level. Oh here well here gbomo. A politics evo yakave we. Vana mi ogima wa be hiove na. Ogima wa be hiove na agi ya tie bonegbe. Maswea, please as you are coming, if you are a Benin person here, please help me to share. Because this one is specially dedicated to my people. Why? What's here? Ni mana ye ni ya me ya we gbi ma we nene me sure where or ye or berry. Akakampe deji or maswe no campe. Maswe no we politics. Nana me we ona ga iri gijon na iri gerona. On that way, I will keke no teneneme. Not that way, I will keke no teneneme. More keke no tie. Why? What's your nona jeveria? What's ye? But you know where I will politics in Afone. My yemo one. Please, I don't know what is making sound in this phone. My yemo one in my yemo more. These people, they are just there to use you guys. Ikbe manivere we bono campaign ya na eti ma ya vote ni ya bo wa ma wa mwenene mi go no te 4+4 ogba ba bele is okay no te ije o bi ati mi ati no pa yi ize iyamu only way almost ogin ya most be say why we causing a limit to ourselves. Good evening Vie, good evening the ma good wena. The man do say, "Edia be yawe aviedo." Nana me we mi wasu wabo. Why ye hi otonek baby? O wa mana lu nyaga ne I o mesu wabo. Wa ga lu no na o wa na lu nyaga. O do hie mi na gi lo. Agboya wa hie no mi wini bia ledo. O hie na iga do fia afua. Ayi agima. And I must soon gelegele. I not be only with the door. I ma power, but I'm my ass in a beam. I say, woman, I ask Bada. There's nothing. Ni mau fe koule. There's nothing ni mau le. Giya ni be kogi mani be kedo stetire. Ivi boka hie mi na we tabana ze yuwe. Itabani ya ye yunu ni no fuani. Oh, ya gwa we nia. Eke ya gwa me we ije me we ya gwa me why? E do vore va ni badi we vosie na jimagbe. If ya we mani be zebo no be kogi mana kere ni very well those to ti be wani. Iya hi move me bo wa. When ya ke we na do. When ya ke we itabana ze we here. ima mosto ya wa unyi medzan ima mosto ya wa awu mana who do us this one a social media wa beje na ni e yo eme bo ona ga toge the platform ge no ba we o be no ya ta ni e ma osun arobie no ba can't we stay and have our peace? Can't we do things and have peace and where you go? Edia kabe ya we politics ya. Eta bete da be bi me. Edia kabe ya we a. Na miegwa na wa hie ove yi my gbe na we. Imama na vote na ro okpa ne. Una campaign e meba we. No mana campaign e meba egwe wado vote ne meba hie o. Ige mi ne meba hie o no ma o. Edia te ya we. Why na miegwa iwa se na we ije me ri no pa gbe no pa wa ri killer no. Eri no pa gbo wa we dia o. Eri no pa wo na o. Why? Why are we doing this to ourselves? What's here? Abia wo be yama we the politics 2 years ago, abi a year ago. Nana me go see my bonne na ma heya gbagbe maya. Bi maguje veri anai. Bi maguje veri. Please. Eviera kekebe otie mayahin wana wowo wagima we mi yoho atebe we campaign for na we so bo ona na nu wa dona na wa ye gbe hin o hin egbe wa ye gbe hin o hin egbe salobu ai me mo nwa e de fie una fie una ime mo nwa mi ato bi meto tag me so I will just sit down we what e biebo me what e biebo me e dia ka be ya we compare na mi wa ke wa yo o aya hienyenye na wa gi o ege me is that yamu is the one me I turn up by you because me I know they vote for anybody me I turn up by you get what we ye ni e what ba se ki to gba oku na hina oni wa si enu wa he no wa tie bone gbe mi wa ma mi e gbe wa mo re ba gbe a eri ogbo momo eri ogbo poli ekewa eri ogbije no pa wa eri ogbe ne no uma we to gbu a uma we to do gbera wa please o ta en hole bana ti mani ko ga do hin ave dere oni ya ma we ma ga vie baye la la gian iya ma what you are doing today may be used against you tomorrow. What you are doing today why what say we boede bo are ma o no bo are me re no why le language ni o re dan we bo are marriage no la bo are me re iya do mi we mu ya do mi ya mu please wagi ma dele me nunu naji wagi ma dele me nunu naji so that words we speak will not be used against us. Campaign for who you want to campaign for. Stop lying against people. Why you got tell me now who want me na who want my say? Emi na who want my why you tell? What tell me now who want say? Keke me na who want me? What you campaign? No, why you start lying against that person. Mana, social media na mavie. Nobody sleep on his phone. Who go mavie? When orewe bo brother and sister, orewe bo ni wa nu bro. Iwu wa gwegbe wa gwateme. Wa gwa mo re ba ma we viere me ticket ni ro wa mo re ba na. Iya me ticket ni ya di iya me coronavirus kwekwe ya ya ti do gbu wa gini wa. One day when you are 100 years is not forever. You might go home tomorrow. Or if you have a position here you occupy back way. Don't let what you are doing today because you are campaigning for your candidate, because you campaign a candidate you were from there who's one rubbish. Show us the good work they are doing. Stop putting insults upon people. Any mami anything. Get me no ewo, get no baseki ewo. Get me say yemu ewo, gbegbe governor or my governor we do there. Get me no ewo. Only me. Get me no show mo le we ati not by we ati Godwin Obaseki. Get me no ewo. Only me. Eh, Togba. No, any not my ni Canada. The yani can or the robot not banage. We are when you're in Miani. Aveni why Zenia with full force. Please, we are all brothers and sisters. When you are campaign, say don't lie against people. And umami don't say it. Don't say it. Long time. It was used against them after about 2 years. Don't do things now when you can wear any everyday. My God. Only compare. Because you are voting for people, you begin to lie against them. Why? When the madia we born ni mado fie o ma wadi we born na ma wa merere ma ni bunwa ma wa merere gboto. I will not leave myself out. Mani bunwa ma wa merere ma mu egbele mi ya. Ene gbabunu. All you guys want to do where I'm the winner. A platform where will race. No wa ya setting gegbuwa. No wa ya see ovie gegbuwa. Please, my people. Wala wo. Iwa when is zero na be na ni make na ya guwagwa. Ni make na ya guwagwa na hima. Onehima. And I me we manivero one is responsible se manire we bo no gberake ya ni. Why? Please. Ime you wa. Wala wo. Wala. Why guide your zan get money? Why guide your zan get we money? Ma we ni ma ya sinegbima. Wala wo. Ebe ni ma gi ma wa me yo no la meko. Any man, ni ma ya rio efa ni ma no ni ma ya weke ya. No, it's not fair. It's not good. Please. Kima we me say. Wala go. Learn how you use your speech. Mind how you talk. It might be used against you tomorrow. It might be used against you tomorrow, my. Wagima mini matala diamonu. Wala wo we bi edome. Wala o. Eni matala diamonu na wagima kwata. Na me gwa me do asile gbe kian wa ku e. Na me be rio. Adowe yi wetin don pass. If not better than let me rest a day. E bon yan ri ebegu me. If not better than ne nu bo ade. E bon yan di wona gume. O magbera. Amiege na ya tolo woman ne ya gatolo. Please. Learn how you use your words on social media. Because nobody is coming there to delete it. Then why ya tade ma ya gagia here. Then why ya boku na de ma ya gagia, people are storing it for you. So that's who wake where I not talking, they go post them for everywhere so that may you see what you talk. Wala wo. Wala o. Imi ameje. Wala wo ye dume. Wakimaye me ya tawunu. na mie weta gbina na mie weta ahon on the na betaladia. Please, when you are campaigning for your candidate, show us the good work you have done. I'm stopping nonsense now. What stop because I watch only one. I go to only one platform in this social media because because I can't be sitting down where who I ain't want if you no get you the crazy no. I wouldn't go my bomber wa. I will swear. You are Risha. You are Risha. Please. Why get your woman na why am we bono to gbele gbuwa nine? Wala wo. Otie maya here. Maya no reason we donane. Maya no ike do state rene. We are all brothers and sisters. Okba maya here. Oh we do here. Oh we san here. Oh we yani we na okba maya here. Wala wo. Imi amere do imi wa. Wala ora bungberi tia o. Ora bungberi tia o. It's not funny. Egi yo wa gie. Wala. Please, if you are candidating, if you know say you know 4+4 they do their own, you know what support them. Just go there. Reach there, come on to your high. No put back come out here when do we have your way, go your platform and do yours. Wala wagimame PC. I use God beg all lawful. This was not my topic today, but please. But I just want to do it where at least I want to very good. Please. Obungbe bi edomenuwa. Obungbe ne otie mayahin. Eni mama mi e boma. Why ge iga mu eru egbe? Why ge iga jehu no mama ni? Why ge iga mu eru egbe? Wala stop using. Why do you knew why ya ri emi dan? Akwega ire ana iwere o. O mani gi su wa hian do awe ija ri no tap be ne. Eve no mani vie be nana. We go evio. O go evio. La wo wani please do it well. No marry up my mother. Me I don't have anybody that I'm no way go my mama go my name because me begging me up bani yawo. I'm not saying anything. Now why I be a motor then money I nothing. So why will I be rejoicing over nonsense? Upon all your money they fit build only one supermarket. I can't say do something. No, not two roads. It don't go with me. Every natural resources everywhere is be tied with only tax when they pay. Please, only work belegbu wa here. Ever no matter if you worry about where. No marry Araba. For me. I did not see anybody me personally will vote for. It made me Yoruba. When I see somebody that will vote for Yabege, but for now, there's nobody. So don't fight for nonsense. I post something 3 days ago, and I reposted it today. Any animal now, even mama wear hair. Even mama wear hair. Why you are here? I never Obazegi Bera, Tony Bera, Moegbe. One gave it about what more. Please, otie mayahin. Wagima kukugbe. Erima enima udagbe mana eh. It's no longer funny. Or ma funny at all. Ma bajaria. So tell ya we comedy gavi obu. If you me now, I am already do I feel look where you wear every man because my mind I may say it time or what? Then I go nonsense in I. Why say you women one Uwa moso ya gbagbo ya gbe a. I use God beg you now. We me wa yo salobo imi wa. I do be mi egwe. If you say ye dog I want marry bi e wo be na ya wi ya ki obi edo because of nonsense. When you were of ye ni egwe ri ahie ni e wo no kere. When you egbe bi edo ni wa e because maka gbegbe ma. Akwe ma hia ma akwo money na gele gbe. Akwo bi edo na bi e wi ma hia. O when ye le bu bi edo ade bi edo wo sa ka gbe. O ya we mere de ba wani gbene obi o ma be. Emma na. Emma wala wo. Waki ma we me say. I'm not here to stay too long. Please. Me my like eh. You might like it in my at all. Good evening, everybody. So I'm going now to post a video in my WhatsApp, my YouTube. Please subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube. I'm doing many talk show. I'm here especially for women and for men. I'm not in one side. Anything I say that is not pleasing my whole act. That is why any topic I do here, I make sure that it came from me. That's why I don't put for nobody, because I don't want anybody to change my mindset. I want to be talking through me. That is by myself. Let me send myself. Nobody send.